Hey, it's LSF here today. Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're taking a deep dive into the upcoming 2026 Lexus RX and comparing that to the current 2025 model year for United States. We now have the official detailed pricing sheet for both years so that we can exactly see what's changed in features, colors, and most importantly, the price. Let's break it down. Firstly, let's quickly recap what the 2025 Lexus RX brought us. The big news for 2025 was the introduction of the Black Line Special Edition for the RX 500h F-Sport Performance. This package gave the RX a stealthy look with the blackout details, 21-inch black wheels, and unique interior stitching. For the most part, 2025 model year was a carryover year from the fully redesigned 2023 model year, focusing on refining and existing trims and features. So now let's get into the exciting part, the 2026 Lexus RX. The theme for 2026 seems to be extending the range. The biggest update is the addition of the new premium trim for the RX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid. This is a significant move by Lexus, as it makes the plug-in hybrid option more accessible by lowering its entry price. And to make charging even more convenient for those plug-in hybrid owners, the RX 450h Plus now comes standard with a dual voltage vehicle charging cable for both 120 volts and the 240 volt outlets. I'm not sure about that because my current NX 450h Plus does have the 120 volt cable, but it actually could handle 240 volts. But again, there's a disclaimer on that. Don't know if they've changed that for the United States, but definitely now it's officially supporting 240 volt outlet, and probably they'll provide you the 240 volt plug as well. Additionally, for those who love the sporty look, there's a new appearance package for the F-Sport handling and the F-Sport performance models. This package includes the black 21-inch wheels, eye-catching orange brake calipers, and black exterior trim, and the black interior with gray stitching, and in a move that is always welcome, the wireless charger is standard across the entire 2026 RX lineup. So when we look at the trims, both 2025 and 2026 RX offer a wide range of options that suit different preferences. The core trim structure remains the same for both years. There is the standard, the premium, premium plus, luxury, and then we have the F-Sport design, F-Sport handling, and F-Sport performance. The key difference, as mentioned before, is that the new premium trim for the 2026 RX 450h Plus, making that powertrain available in more than just one top-tier luxury trim. So now let's talk about the exterior colors. Lexus is known for beautiful paint options. For 2025, the RX offered 11 different colors, and we'll put the full list here. We have the Ultra White, the Eminent White Pearl, Cloudburst Gray, Iranium, Caviar, Matador Red Mica, Copper Crest, Nori Green Pearl, Nightfall Mica, Grecian Water, and Incognito. In 2026, it's missing Grecian Water. So if you're a fan of that lighter blue, you probably need to get a 2025 because there's not going to have a 2026 anymore. But then Nori Green Pearl and Matador Red Mica is carryover, and I think there's still a lot of fans liking that color. And I'm quite surprised that Lexus does not offer the Ultrasonic Blue Mica 2.0 on any of the RXs. And when we talk about interior colors, they're quite consistent across both years. It just depends on the trims that you pick. Follow me on Instagram at LSFTvideos. You can see updates on my experience with the NX 450h Plus, which may not be shown on any future videos. You can reach out to me via direct messaging if you have any questions on your Lexus. If you like this video, you can provide me feedback in the comments below, like this video, share it with your friends. This definitely will help with the YouTube algorithms. Press the subscribe button and bell icon and get notified when new videos show up. And lastly, if you want to support me further, you can provide me a super thanks. Or visit my Amazon storefront before you purchase anything from Amazon, and or you can purchase products from the list on the items that I've been using with my vehicle or at home at no extra cost to you. And now let's continue with the video. Alright, this is the moment you've been waiting for. We're looking at the official pricing, which includes the mandatory delivery processing and handling fees, or DPH. You've noticed that the 2025 model year, it's been updated around October timeframe. So first, it's important to note that the DPH fee itself has increased. For 2025 model year, it was $13.50, and in 2026, the fee has gone up $100 to $14.50. So right off the bat, every single trim has increased $100 from that change. You can see here, we start off with the RX standard for front-wheel drive, and the increase is $850. And then we look at the premium, it's up $775, premium plus is up $775, the luxury is also $775, and the F-Sport design also is $775. And when we look at the all-wheel drive 350s, it starts off with the standard up $850. And then all the other trims, the premium, premium plus, luxury, F-Sport design, and F-Sport handling is up $775. And then when we look at the hybrid, which is only available as an all-wheel drive, the standard price is up $1,000. That's the most significant increase in this whole RX lineup. The premium, premium plus, luxury, F-Sport design are all up $925. So still a more bigger increase compared to the gas-only 350. We look at the RX 500h all-wheel drive F-Sport Performance, and that's up $700. And when we have the plug-in hybrid, the RX 450h Plus, new is the premium, so there's no price increase, but it really is a little bit better costing RX, but definitely less features. And then when we look at the luxury, it's up $700 as well. So as you can see, the pricing varies depending on the model. The non-hybrid RX 350 trims has seen an increase of about $775 to $850. Interestingly, the RX 350h is the largest jump, as standard has gone up $1,000, and the other trims are up $925. Now here's an important piece of context for these numbers. The majority of the RX lineup, the 350, 350h, and the 500h are built right here in North America, in Cambridge, Ontario, Canada. Only the plug-in hybrid 450h Plus is imported from Japan. Given the ongoing discussions by the US administration regarding tariffs on imported vehicles, it's notable that the price increase from the Canadian-built models are as modest as they are. It really speaks to the value Lexus is trying to maintain. Of course, the big story remains on the new RX 450h Plus premium trim, $66,680. That makes the plug-in hybrid option nearly $6,000 cheaper than what was available in the 2025. That's a massive change for buyers who are looking at the RX plug-in hybrid. Do we really have a missed opportunity here? With these minor updates year over year, there's a bigger conversation to be had. The current RX is still a relatively new vehicle, but in the fast-moving world of automotive tech, it really feels that a mid-cycle refresh is needed for one key reason: the hybrid system. Brand new Toyota vehicles like the Prius, Crown, and even the UX all already have the Toyota's 5th generation hybrid system. Yet, the Lexus RX and NX are still running on the 4th generation. The 4th generation is a fantastic, incredibly reliable system, but it does seem like a miss for Lexus not having the most absolute latest powertrain tech. It raises an interesting question about the brand. Does owning a Lexus mean that you're getting the latest and greatest from Toyota Corporation? Or does it mean that you're getting the most refined version of slightly older, proven technology? I'll love to know what you think about this. Is it a big deal? Or is the refinement what really matters in a Lexus? Let me know in the comments below. What do you think? So keeping the powertrain question in mind, let's summarize. The 2026 RX isn't a radical redesign, but it does bring some meaningful updates. Price increases are quite reasonable when you consider the broader economic factors at play, the new affordable entry of the plug-in hybrid that will win customers to get into the plug-in hybrid space, and there are some new styling packages and standard features are welcome as additions. While some might be waiting for the 5th generation hybrid system, the 2026 model year continues to build on a successful formula, strengthening its position as a top contender in the luxury SUV market. I hope that you found that this video was informative, and until next video, drive safely. Thank you for watching. If you liked this video, please comment, like, share this video, and if you want to see more videos like this, you can subscribe to my channel and press that bell icon to get notified when new videos are posted. And if you'd like to support this channel, you can provide me a super thanks. And until next time, cheers.